Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. Y'all, thank you all so much for being on my channel, for giving me your support through all these months of stimulus talks. I really do appreciate it. Without you, I know I would not have a channel, and I'm forever thankful for you. Okay, this new skinnier, much skinnier stimulus package. They found a way to put more money in it for PPP funding. You know, this PPP funding was not used last time. It was not needed or wanted the last time. There was too many stipulations around this money. But for some reason, they think that we still need more PPP funding. I believe that this is just so people like Mooch McConnell's wife and her family can get their greedy paws into it again. She got a lot of money out of PPP last time for her family business. This is wrong. She should have to pay it back. And people that's in Congress or family in Congress should not be allowed to take this funding. They also put legal liability protection for big corporations from being sued up to 5 years past the pandemic. This is ridiculous. The pandemic is on its way out. We know this. But this is to help their rich friends, their rich family, and to help Wall Street. Because we know their rich friends, rich family, and Wall Street is the biggest contributors to their campaign fund. And they needed them this past campaign, and they feel that they will need them again. It's the good old boy system hard at work. They put $300 per week for 4 months in federal unemployment money. But I would be willing to bet most people would rather have a monthly stimulus check for everyone instead of the little $300 unemployment money. But the big thing here is there was no stimulus check at all put in this. Now, the good thing is this is not a bill yet. It's just a proposal. And I think that's as far as it's going to go because everybody knows we need a stimulus check. So y'all tell me, do you think this proposal will become a bill? Do you think Nancy Pelosi and Mitch McConnell both can push it through? I don't think so. I think it's dead in the water. Nobody has really said dead in the water yet, but I think I'm going to be the first one to say it. Nancy Pelosi, there is no way she will go for this. You know, she's been holding out for a few months for a bigger bill. Why would she bow down to them now on such a small bill? I just don't think she's going to do that. Y'all let me know in the comments what you think. Do you think that this will become a bill? I would love to know what you're thinking about it. Y'all, we will get through all of this crap, and that's exactly what it is. It's crap. I'm not saying the pandemic is fake. It's not fake. People are dying every day. I understand that. But I don't think it's as bad as everybody has blown it up to be. Yeah, millions of people has died, and more will die. But they also die from the common cold. Y'all, I love you all. We will get through this with the help of Jesus Christ. Say a prayer for everyone involved. Also, watch this video that's popping up here now. And again, thank you all so much from the bottom of my heart for being here. I love you all. Until next time, y'all please watch the late night show with me and my wife tonight at 9 p.m. We have it every night. We don't talk stimulus there. We don't talk politics, Bitcoin, or nothing like that. We just have a lot of good fun, a lot of laughing, and a lot of just clowning. We love it over there. A lot of other people loves it. And I think you will too. So please try it out. And if you don't like it, you don't have to come back. It's that simple. Y'all, I love you all. Keep your faith in God. He will see us through this. And just know I love you all. Ciao.